Hey there! Imagine making $100 a day online without any experience or special skills. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you that with just your phone or laptop and the power of AI, you could start earning that today? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that anyone can use to make money. No expertise required. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. First up, we have ChatGPT. And if you're not using it yet, you're missing out. This AI can help you write articles, blogs, even books. And guess what? You can sell that writing on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even start your own blog. No experience? No problem. ChatGPT generates text in seconds. You give it a prompt. It gives you content. Just like that, you're in business. It's writing made easy and money made possible. Tool number 2, Jasper. Next, we have Jasper. Jasper is like a supercharged assistant for content creators. It's perfect for everything, from marketing copy to social media posts. Running a business? Want to promote products online? Let Jasper write persuasive ads and engaging posts in seconds. No need to hire a copywriter. Jasper's got you. It saves time, boosts quality, and helps you grow faster. Tool number 3, Midjourney. Now let's talk about something visual. This AI creates stunning artwork in seconds. You just type what you want, and boom, art appears. You can sell your designs on Etsy, Redbubble, or even as digital downloads. People are already making thousands using AI art. And the best part? You don't have to be an artist. Midjourney does the creativity for you. Tool number 4. Next up is Copy.ai. If you're starting a side hustle or already running a business, this is your secret weapon. From email campaigns to blog posts to ad copies, Copy.ai handles it all. You just describe your product or service, and it generates high-converting text instantly. No more writer's block, just results. Use it to grow your audience and close more sales without paying a marketing agency. Tool number 5. And finally, meet Pictory. If you've ever wanted to make YouTube videos but hate editing, this tool is for you. Just upload a script, and Pictory automatically creates a video using stock footage, text, and voice. Perfect for content creators, YouTubers, and even online businesses. Make videos, post them, and start earning. It's like having an editor and video team powered by AI. So there you have it, 5 amazing AI tools that anyone can use to make money online in 2025. No skills? No problem. Whether you're writing, designing, selling, or creating videos, these tools help you earn from day one. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which tool you're most excited to try. I'll see you in the next one.